Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact IQIYI Support. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your IQIYI application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find IQIYI in case you are wondering? You can find it on Google Play Store or you can find it on Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications, and once you do that, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type IQIYI and go through the on-screen prompt to download and install the app. After downloading and installing, it's going to take you right into the home page. So from this home page, at the bottom of your screen, you're going to find the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Click on that, then you'll see login and sign up. At the top corner of that window, click on that and follow through the prompt to sign in or to log in or to sign up. So after doing that, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the app. So now let's quickly hop to today's text, and that is how to contact IQIYI Support. So from this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen. You have Home, Explore, Shop, Download in Me. So go ahead and click on Me. Once you click on Me, you have this window where you have My List, History, IQIYI Rewards. You have Language, Subtitle Translation, Settings, FAQ, and Feedback. For you to contact the IQIYI Support, go ahead and click on Feedback. And that's going to take you right out of the application into the feedback decks. So over here, issue categories, account issues, all down to describe the problem, click or drag an image, and you have contact us. So here you have contact us. Let's say please enter a proper valid email address. So enter a proper valid email address and click on submit. So let's say your problem is not here, but then you have a unique problem and you want to reach out to them. So in this under describe the problem, go ahead and describe the problem, describe a suggestion or issue in detail. And after doing that, if you need to add an image, so click or you can drag an image. Then after doing that, but you can drag an image using your phone. So once you click and enter the image, enter a proper valid email address and click on submit. Then go ahead and check your email for the response. This is how you can contact IQIYI Support. Now you can go watch this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.